Hi, today at Garfin's Creation we'll be making this mixed sausage macaroni stew. Besides being very delicious, it's also very quick and easy to prepare. You'll find the entire recipe in the description box below. So let's start with cooking the pasta first. To cook the macaronis, I've taken sufficient water in a pan. To this water, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. We'll mix that well and let the water come to a boil. This is the brand of pasta or macaroni that I'll be using in this recipe today. And once the water is hot and boiling, we'll add 1 cup of these macaronis into it. Give it a stir and we'll cook this for about 80% done. Do not cook this completely, we'll keep it about 80% done. I like this pasta, as you can check out, it's quite thick enough. These are nice and thick and do not get smashed completely. You can use any brand of macaroni you have. So now after cooking this macaroni for some time, let's check out if it's done. I'll use the back of the knife and cut and see. So this is perfectly done, just the way we need it. So we'll just drain off the excess water by putting it over a sieve. After draining the pasta, we will check out the other ingredients required for this recipe. I'll be putting the entire ingredients in the description box below too. So here I have taken 1 bay leaf, 1 stick of cinnamon, 3 cloves, 2 green elaichis, half a teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 chicken cube, taken Maggie cube, 3 to 4 large cloves of garlic that is finely chopped. Besides this, 1 small capsicum, 1 medium-sized tomato, 1 small carrot, 1/4 cup green peas, and 1 medium-sized onion. These are all diced into cubes. Besides this, I have also taken 1 teaspoon of corn flour mixed with little water. This will be adding at the end, which will add a little thickness to the stew. Here I have also taken 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. In place of red chili flakes, you can also use green chilies. Little salt. This is mixed sausages, that is scrap. This is easily available in cold storages. This is a mix of chicken and pork scrap. If you do not have this, you can take a mix of chicken and pork, ham, sausages or salami too. Try to include pork in this as it adds a good flavor to this recipe. So now let's start with the recipe. I have heated the pan and added 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And once the oil is hot enough, we'll be adding the whole spices. We'll just let the peppercorns crackle and then add the finely chopped garlic into it. We will just fry this garlic for a few seconds till it gets a little brown. The garlic is just brown and I'll be adding the chopped onions. Try and keep all the vegetables in little cubes so it adds a good texture to this recipe. Cook the onions for just a few seconds till they are a little bit soft. Then next into this, we'll be adding the diced carrots. I'll be just adding the veggies one at a time so that they cook properly. Now I'll cook this carrot for about a minute. Do keep stirring this in between. And next into this, we'll be adding the chopped capsicum and tomatoes. Stew is incomplete without potatoes. Though I have not added any potato in this recipe, you can definitely add 1 potato into this. Just cube it into smaller pieces and add it to these veggies and let that cook too. After adding all the veggies, I'll be adding the diced sausages. I'll just cut it into smaller pieces. Just stir it in and cook it for about 2 minutes. This mixed scrap of chicken and pork adds a really good flavor to the stew. But you can definitely make this recipe with whatever you have, like salami, ham, bacon or any sausages. Next, I'll be adding the green peas into it and give it a mix. Now we'll continue cooking this green peas too. The spice level for this recipe is medium. If you want it more spicy, you can increase the peppercorns and the red chili flakes too. Now we'll just mix this well and be adding 1 cup of water. So I've added 250 ml of water into it. Into it also I'll be adding the crushed Maggie cube, a little salt as per taste, and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Now give this all a good mix. Now we will just let this all come to a good boil. By giving this a good boil, all the flavors of the veggies and the sausages get into the gravy. This will make this recipe even more flavorful. So I'll just mix this well and let it come to a boil, and then we will add the corn slurry into it. For this corn slurry, I have taken 1 teaspoon of corn flour and a little water. Mix it well and add it to this recipe. This will make the gravy a little thicker and give a nice coating to the macaroni stew. Once the corn flour too is boiled well, we'll be adding the boiled macaronis. Just mix this well and just let it come once more to a boil. Add in a little more water if you feel it is too dry. Once the macaroni stew are well cooked, I'll be adding lastly 1 teaspoon of butter. This is optional, but this adds a good flavor at the end. Mix this well, and with this, our mixed sausage macaroni stew is ready to be served. This macaroni stew tastes best when served hot. So I hope you all like this quick and easy my version of making this mixed sausage macaroni stew. Thanks for watching, and do try it out and let me know in the comments how you liked it. And do subscribe to Garfin's Creation too if you haven't subscribed yet. See you in the next recipe too. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.